Digitisation and the Internet of Everything, plus big data, means that systems are all connected. And that means that the system changes are happening faster than we can learn. And that leads to a world that is full of volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity. And the manufacturing facility needs to find a way to manage that. The access to products and services with the connectivity of everything, plus the immediacy of requirements from our clients and customers, means the speed to market is only ever getting faster, and will only ever get faster than that. So we need to find a way to navigate that as part of our manufacturing strategy. Within the factory, the laws of chemistry and the laws of physics will not change. However, what will change is the way in which we interact with the process. Being able to access the volume of information is what allows us to unlock some of the magic to improve your processes. And in fact, getting those insights leads us to improving yields, improving our productivity, and leading to stability of our processes, which can then subsequently lead to better financial performance. The traditional forms of hierarchical learning are no longer sufficient. What we actually need to do is find a way to blend the experience of the operators with the pace of change and the innovative thinking in order to unlock the value of the process.
After decades of supporting businesses to transform their operations, we've now developed our transformation management solutions, which have been created to deliver sustainable change. From our Assessment 360 tool, which identifies across 6 critical dimensions of change the organisation's readiness to complete a transformation, and identifies key actions which can be delivered in order to make a transformation more successful, through to our transformation design, which is all about setting up the transformation for success and using best practices, project and change management approaches to deliver the change, through to our skills foundry, which is really focused around people capability building, understanding the gaps that may be existing and identifying tailored bespoke training programs to plug these gaps. We now have a full suite of solutions that can be deployed in order to enable businesses to deliver the change that they need.
In a micro approach for problem solving, what we would do is we wouldn't take apart anything that was running perfectly well, except maybe for planned maintenance. However, in a macro approach, what we want to do is ask ourselves, do we actually need that machine at all? Can we do it faster? Can we do it better? Can we do it differently? And that's what we need to attack when we're trying to drive the pace of change. As children, we are taught that right answers last forever. However, in a fast-moving supply chain world, what was the right answer 5 years ago, or even 12 months ago, may not be the right answer right now. So not only do we need to continuously improve, we need to find a way so that we can make a quantum leap of improvement. And this means understanding what our clients and customers really need, and then providing that in a way that meets their ability and their agility in order to deliver value.
Argon Co, leading the way, transforming business.